Well, hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I got a package and today I'll be unboxing the Lyn B Designs the Totally Awesome Neon Polish Collection. So we've got them here. I did get in on her sale. A lot of times when she does her like sales, she or when she puts out a collection, it'll be like, well, if you order it this weekend you get, you know, such and such off, and I got in on that deal. So all of these are 15 mLs and they're 5 free, and they are still listed on her website. Came packaged very well. Pretty happy about that. I'm gonna break them out and get them all open, and then we'll check these 7 polishes out together. Alrighty, so I said the name of the collection wrong. It's the Tonally Awesome Neons. Tonally. I want to make sure I'm getting things out there right. So I'm just going to pop right on here. We've got Pinking of You, then Ready or Not. These are not showing up on camera like they look in real life. Oh my gosh. You Had Me at Yellow. You know the neons though. And then Blew My Mind. Then we have Spill the Teal. Next up is Blown to Smither Greens. And then the purple is Excessively Violet. So I'm going to swatch these and let's get right on into it. Alrighty, here we go. It's been a little while since I had bought from Lyn B Designs. I love her polishes though. And these are so crazy gorgeous. Now you guys know I've got quite a few neons, but I'm always on the lookout for another great set. Now, I'm going to also at the end of this video practice some water marbling and stamping, because they're saying that these polishes stamp and water marble. And these are like wicked pigmented. They are really, really pigmented here. And they level out real nice too. So let's just bump on along, get these swatches done so that we can get to the other playing. Oh, yeah. Love these colors. Can't wait to try them on my nails. It's always nice when you find neons that'll water marble really well, because neons tend to dry faster, which makes them harder to work with when you're water marbling. And of course, you know, I've got one, well, I've got 2 sets that work really well, but one was a super hard to get collection and it is no longer being sold, and the other one was just re-released, so it'd be up to you to decide. I will definitely leave a link for this collection down below. Ooh, love that green. In the greens lately. And this purple. Oh, love that. Alright, we're going to whip right back around and start on our second coat. Look how bright they are with just one coat. That's just, wow. Oh man, beautiful. Now, you know, I know a lot of you might be like me. You might already own neons, and that's cool. But I'm definitely going to give these the workout today, and if they do everything that they say they do, they would be very, very much a good idea to purchase. Especially if you can get it on her sales, because she really does have great sales. I think every time I've ever bought, well, I can't say that, but most of the time when I buy, I get lucky and there's a sale going on. So, you know, the more you save, the more you can spend on other stuffs, or the more polishes you can have, whichever way you want to look at it. But I love it when indie makers do good sales for us. You know, I've got a bubble or something in that one. I'll try to get it wiped off. There we go. This teal one, or yeah, I guess it's teal, turquoise teal. I don't know. It's showing up more green on camera than in real life. Hopefully I can get some good photos. They're so pretty. Hopefully I can get some good photos of them. Maybe that'll be more true to color. We'll see. Neons are, they're funny like that. Here we go with that purple. Oh, that is so nice. Oh, yeah. Alrighty. So there are the swatches, and I will get ready to do a water marble. Alright, I have a pop stick here with white on it. This is Shut Out from Braves Diva, and I did put a top coat on it. We're going to go ahead and start building our bullseye. Put the first drop in and run the toothpick around to make sure it goes all the way to the edge of the cup. And we're going to just keep on plinking along. They are spreading pretty good. Now I did have to turn my air off. You don't want a ceiling fan or the air conditioner or anything really interfering with this, which can be tricky when you're doing it on your nails. You might want to do a little tap here. You might want to do one in between the air conditioning cycles or something. I don't know. Do cleanup after that. I'm going to try to get as many as I can in here. Give it another little tap. Especially those outside colors, because they're going to be, you know, on the outer edge of the design. Okay, so I managed like 1.5 rounds. So we're going to draw a line. Just going to do a simple, you guys know I like my little chevrons, so we're going to do that. This is just a tester. We just want to see. Looks pretty cool. Alright, and then you just pick a spot that you want to use. I'm kind of digging this right here. I'm dip in. I'm going to use this toothpick to clean up the excess. You blow on the water and make it dry faster. But you definitely want to make sure the top gets cleaned before you try to remove it, because it'll pick up on all that goops. Alright, so there we go. So it did water marble. I'll let it dry, I'll top coat it, and I'll have a picture of it towards the end. Now we're going to get ready for the stamp test. Alrighty, here we go for the stamp testing. I've done some black and white nails. They're not perfect. Some of them even have a little bit of smudging on them, but we're going to just roll with it. So we're going to just hop right on in here and get to stamp swatching these. See how well they do over black and white. Alright, they show up great over the white, but I'm not so sure about the black. Let me see if I can turn the light on again. And maybe after the top coat goes on, it'll look a little better. Alrighty, and the next one's the orange. And to be honest, when I play with neons, I'm not expecting them to like pop over black. I mean, I'm just not. I'm normally going to be in the mindset for, well, that didn't show it very well. Let's see if we can do another image over the top of it. Like I said, normally if I was stamping with neons, I would be doing it over a white. That's just my preference. Okay, there we go. Much better image there. Again, excellent over the white, not so much over the black. And then we're going to head on to the yellow. I just wanted to give these some road test real quick. That one's kind of even hard to see a little bit over the white. Not too bad. I don't know. Alright, we got one more before I have to reload my stands here. And then we'll go ahead and go with the blue. Let's do this image right here. Oh, that's yellow. No, reached for the wrong one. Let's go with this. Alright. Get it together, girl. Alright. Oh, that's real pretty over the white. Alright, so I'm going to get reset up. I'll be right back. Alrighty, here we go. We're going to carry on. I'm going to go in with this teal color here. Hi, Cotton. How are you? I'm busting up in the room like you own it. And that one looks pretty over the white, too. Alrighty. Alright, next we're going to do the green, and I'm going to go with this heart image over here. I think that looks really pretty. That's one of my favorites. It shows up over the white, of course. So that's kind of, we're seeing a theme. They do really good over white, so I would definitely use these over white. I would not have any hesitations with that. And then now for the purple. Go in with that. Making a mess on that plate, ain't I? Yes, we are. Okay, this one's really smudged, and I apologize, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So it showed up really good over the white again. So I'm going to get these all cleaned up and top coated and dried, and I will show some swatch pictures of everything at the end. Alrighty, so here are my swatch photos of the swatching and the stamping. I will have a water marble swatch at the very end. And so let me know if you picked up on these, if these were something interesting to you, or if you're thinking about checking them out or whatever. But that is it for me today. I really did enjoy doing this and testing these all out. I'd love to hear your comments. As usual, I would like to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.